I'm Geoff Lemon, me and Adam Collins, radio cricket commentators. We travel around the world and we broadcast cricket, and we get to walk into cricket grounds all over the world. That's one of the good things about our jobs. Today we're at Adelaide Oval. Adelaide Oval is plush. Almost everybody says it's the best cricket ground in the world. So you have well set up commentary boxes, you have big panels, lots of tech, you have your panel operator sit up there, but a lot of the time you're not broadcasting in a place as laid on as this. And even if you're in a place like this, maybe you don't have a panel operator. So that's where we use this, the Tieline, which is the mini version of the panel you see upstairs, and one that you don't need a technician to run because people like you and me can run it ourselves.
I get little warm and fuzzies just seeing this box open as you are right now, because this has gotten me out of so many jams. I've been really lucky to go around the world with you, Geoff, to places like Pakistan for 3 test matches. All over England, and if not for the plug and play nature of this, I'm by disposition not the kind of guy who's got to know the answers, but with this, it seemingly has all the answers for you. All you need to do is have an internet signal, be it through the Wi-Fi, through a LAN cable, or indeed through a 3G or 4G signal. Remember, Geoff, when we, with ViA, a number of years ago, we were able to use the 3G connection in the UAE to get a signal for an entire test match back to Australia.
Off a phone hotspot.
Off a phone hotspot.
To try to broadcast a thing out.
And it worked, it never dropped out.
It can be as simple as this. So you pull this unit out, you pull out a power plug, you pop that in the back, you know.
Whoosh.
Easily done. You plug that in here. I know this is fascinating viewing. Plug it into the power point, get your LAN cable, pop that in the internet port in the wall, turn her on, and away you go. They're even battery powered as well. So you don't actually need mains power, and this is one of the other things that we use something like this for. Down on the boundary line here, end of a day's play, for instance, you need to go down and do some interviews. You can carry this down with you. It can run on the Wi-Fi, and it can run on its own internal battery power and still maintain the broadcast. Yeah,
where this machine comes into its own is after play or before play, when you have to be quite nimble. It's like, right, play's going to end in 5 minutes, no, it's going to end in 30 minutes, no, it's going to end in 1 minute. It's off, play's off, it's finished, draining. Got to get down straight away to talk to the Australian captain. What are we going to do? Grab the Tieline, grab the ViA, and get running. And all you need to do once you're down there is bung a pair of headphones in, press play, it'll pick up the internet connection you're already doing, and within literally seconds, you can be transmitting an IP signal back to wherever it needs to be. It could not be more straightforward. As I say, this is a thing that gets me out of jams. It is, I would go as far to say, idiot-proof. All you need to do is be able to put it on, find your internet connection, and you're through to the semis without dropping a cent.
And it makes everything digital. That's why it's called a codec. It's a coded decoder, so it takes the analog signal from the microphones. You just pop your headset mics in there, or the mics that you're using. You can run headphones out of it to hear the sound. And then it converts that signal into a digital signal and sends it via the Wi-Fi or via the LAN cable that you've plugged into it. So you don't need to be broadcasting to radio. You can be streaming directly online with it. You can be broadcasting from literally anywhere to anywhere, as long as you can get an internet signal. And then at the end of the day, if you're doing the big derby in the Cook Islands, or you're at Vanuatu cricket or whatever it is, wherever you've ended up, and you don't want to leave your expensive kit in the box at the end of the day, you just pop that in here, sweetly close that up, and you head off to the restaurant or to the beach, or wherever it is it might be. You just take this with you. This is the entire radio broadcast operation. It's this big. So that's it. It's the ViA Tieline. It's the smallest, the most powerful, the simplest, and the best. And we can say that because we've used it time and time again, and it has made everything so easy when we've needed to do these jobs.